Hey folks, thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to shoot a quick video, 5 minutes or less, hopefully, on creating a Google Data Studio report using the LinkedIn Ads connector. So let's get started. This is the homepage of Google Data Studio. Let's create a blank report. They are going to prompt us right away to connect to our data source, in which I will choose Reportable, and I will choose the LinkedIn Ads by Reportable. They also offer a free 30-day trial, so let's choose that. Now they're going to ask us to connect to an ad account. I have already connected to my LinkedIn account, so they're actually going to ask you to do that first, and then they will prompt you for the ad accounts. So you will not see this exact same view until you connect to your ad account. So go ahead and do that first and then choose your ad account. Okay, great. Now that we're connected, they've pre-populated a table for us, which likely doesn't mean a whole lot. So I'm just going to position that down here a little bit. Return on ad spend. So I'm just going to change the dimension here. At first, I'm going to choose campaign name. And as for metrics, I'm going to start very basic. I'm going to choose impressions. I'm going to choose clicks. I will choose the CTR, which is an important metric in LinkedIn because it dictates the CPM. And I'm going to choose amount spent. All very basic metrics. The lead metric is also available for those of you who have the Insights tag installed. Certainly possible. We are seeing null right now only because this ad account hasn't spent any money for a couple of months. So bear with me. Before I do that, I'm going to just spruce it up a little bit. I'll choose the LinkedIn logo. I'm going to put this up here. I also want to show you something just quickly. You can right click on a logo, whether it's the LinkedIn logo or your own logo that you'd like to add to this report, and you can choose extract the theme from the image. And now we can tailor the theme of the report to your logo or the LinkedIn logo or whatever logo or you choose to use. So we can see how that changed. Now let's click on this table again, and I would just want to change the style here. Row numbers I'm not a big fan of. I'm also not a fan of this one. Let's go back to setup. I am a fan of this summary row, so let's do that. Now, we have to add a control, a date range control. So I will choose that. Let's place this right here. Now we have the ability to choose our date range. Let's view this. I will drop that down. I'm going to scroll back. There's two calendars here. The calendar on the left is your start date. The calendar on your right is the end date. So I will choose today's date as the end date, apply. And here we have it. We have all of the campaign spends, the clicks, everything we need to know. Now, just as a little bit of info here, we can see CPM and amount spent. They are both currencies, but by default, they get displayed as numbers. So you will just want to choose this right here, the edit icon, and you will want to change that to your currency. I'm in Canada, so that's why I've chose that. And if you want to do a similar report, you can simply just Control C, copy and paste. And up here you can choose, we can make that a pie chart if we want. In my opinion, there was too many metrics there for a pie chart, but now we want to send it and schedule it. So come up here, schedule an email delivery. You will want to email this to client@clientemail.com. And down here, we can choose when we wish to send this. On the first, and let's custom the month on the first day. So right now I have scheduled this report, this dashboard, to be sent on the first day, starting next month on the first, and then sent every month thereafter on the first schedule. Something I always like to do is, because this is a PDF and PDFs aren't interactive. So if your client would like an interactive report, you can just come up here, click the share button, manage access. Now we will want to give them a link that they can view. It keeps it simple, so we will save that, copy this link, and you can just send them this link right here. Copy and email them and tell them to bookmark it. And that's it. A little over 5 minutes. My apologies. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.